Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. Weight loss maintenance, key tips for long-term success. Successfully losing weight is a great achievement, but keeping it off long-term is the real challenge. These strategies will help you stay on track and avoid weight regain. Number 1. Maintain a structured routine. Stick to consistent meal and sleep times. Plan your meals ahead to avoid impulsive eating. Meal prepping can help you stay in control of calories and nutrients. Number 2. Prioritize physical activity. Aim for 150 to 300 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, like brisk walking or cycling, per week. Include strength training 2 to 3 times per week to preserve lean muscle mass and boost metabolism. Find activities you enjoy. Consistency matters more than intensity. Number 3. Track your progress. Weigh yourself weekly, not daily, to avoid discouragement from normal fluctuations. Use progress photos, body measurements, or how your clothes fit. Keep a food/exercise journal or use apps like MyFitnessPal or Fitbit for tracking. Number 4. Portion control and mindful eating. Learn true serving sizes, don't rely on eyeballing. Eat slowly, chew thoroughly, and stop eating when you're about 80% full. Avoid distractions, TV, phone, during meals to focus on hunger cues. Number 5. Choose whole, nutrient-dense foods. Load up on vegetables, fruits, lean protein, legumes, and whole grains. Limit ultra-processed snacks, fried items, and refined sugar. Prepare your own meals more often to control ingredients and calories. Number 6. Stay hydrated. Water helps with appetite control and metabolic function. Drink a glass of water before meals, it can reduce overeating. Limit sugary beverages, alcohol, and energy drinks. Number 7. Get quality sleep. Poor sleep affects hormones like ghrelin and leptin, increasing cravings. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep per night. Create a calming bedtime routine and avoid screens before bed. Number 8. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress leads to emotional eating and cravings for comfort foods. Try techniques like yoga, meditation, walking in nature, or journaling. Seek professional help if stress feels overwhelming. Number 9. Be realistic and flexible. Understand that some weight fluctuations are normal. Enjoy occasional indulgences mindfully, don't let guilt derail your progress. Don't aim for perfection, focus on consistency. Number 10. Build a strong support system. Surround yourself with people who support your goals. Join online forums, local fitness communities, or work with a health coach. Share your goals with friends/family for accountability. Number 11. Set new non-scale goals. Work toward goals like running a 5K, mastering a new workout, or improving strength. These keep you motivated beyond just the number on the scale.